Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start by saving your Word document with a clear file name in one folder. Keep the PowerPoint file in the same folder to preserve relative links. Decide now if you want a linked object that updates or a simple hyperlink that opens the file. Confirm the file path using Windows Explorer so links do not break when moving files. Close the Word file before creating the link to avoid file lock conflicts during the process. Open your slide and select the Insert tab in PowerPoint to add an object. Choose Object, then choose Create from File and click Browse to select the saved Word file. Check Link to File to maintain a live link that updates with word changes when refreshed. Optionally, check Display as Icon to show a clickable icon instead of embedding document content. Click OK to place the linked object on the slide and position or resize. To manage links, go to File, then Info, and open Edit Links to Files in PowerPoint. Use Edit Links to update all links, change the source file, or break a link and embed a copy instead. Right-click any linked object on a slide and choose Update Link to refresh content from the Word document immediately. If you must move or share files, embed a copy to avoid broken links and test the presentation on another computer before presenting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.